In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check spelling and grammar in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll feel confident catching typos and polishing your writing without missing a thing. Start by opening Microsoft Word and loading the document you want to review. It's helpful to have your final draft or a near-final version ready, so the feedback you get is meaningful and you don't have to recheck large sections repeatedly. Next, look to the ribbon at the top of Word and click the Review tab. This is where all the proofreading tools live. In the Proofing group, select Spelling and Grammar. As soon as you click it, Word will begin scanning your document from your current cursor position, moving through the text and stopping on each detected issue. When an error is found, Word highlights it and presents options. For spelling, you'll typically see suggestions you can choose to change to immediately fix the word. If Word flags a correct term that you use regularly, such as a brand name or industry-specific term, you can add to dictionary so it won't be marked as an error in the future. Use this carefully. Only add words you're sure are correct. If the highlighted item is not a problem in this context, choose Ignore to skip it. Grammar suggestions work similarly, offering a change option to apply a recommended fix and an explain option if you want to understand why Word flagged it. Taking a moment to read the explanation can help you learn patterns you might want to avoid next time. Continue making choices for each item until Word tells you the check is complete. If you prefer a quicker way to start this process, you can press F7 on your keyboard. That's the shortcut to launch the same spelling and grammar check without navigating through the ribbon. To make ongoing proofreading easier, you can enable automatic checks so issues are marked as you type. Go to File, then Options, and select Proofing. Ensure that Check Spelling as you type and Mark Grammar Errors as you type are both turned on. With these enabled, Word will underline potential mistakes automatically, red squiggly lines for spelling, and blue or green squiggles for possible grammar concerns. These visual cues help you spot problems early and decide whether to address them as you write or wait until your final pass. That's it. Open your document, run Spelling and Grammar from the Review tab or with F7, and if you like, turn on automatic checking for continuous feedback. With these tools, you'll keep your writing clear, correct, and professional.